Hey, what's up guys, DragonZX here, and today we're going to be talking about how China forced Blizzard to show them their loot box drop rates. Thanks to a new Chinese law which enforces companies to reveal the probabilities of loot boxes or card pack drops in games, we now have official insight into what drop rates are for Blizzard's exceptions. Profitable games like Overwatch and Hearthstone. Overwatch is probably the more interesting case, given that it is now officially Blizzard's $8 billion franchise, based on mostly the purchase of loot boxes in addition to its $40 to $60 billion asking price of loot boxes. Here's the translated compliance reveal from Blizzard for China, which has the figures everyone wants to see. Number 1. The loot box content. Each loot box contains 4 items, which means cosmetics or in-game currency to unlock cosmetics. Number 2. Rare quality. Each loot box contains at least 1 rare item or higher quality. Number 3. Epic quality. On average, every loot box contains an item of epic quality. And number 4, legendary quality. On average, every 13.5 loot boxes contain an item of legendary quality. So translating this into percentages, that's about an 18% chance for an epic in a loot box, which includes the likes of legendary in a loot box, which includes the likes of legendary currency drops. It makes no allowance for duplicates or weighted events items, but this seems like it's enough information to satisfy Chinese. This seems fine, but players have been more or less able to crowdsource enough meaningful data to get these kinds of numbers for a while now. Based on thousands and thousands of community drops, it's just rare you see a company forced to divulge the exact figures like this. Previously, I was operating under the assumption that it was more along the lines of 1 legendary every loot box, or 30, and when I do my event-based 100 box openings in Overwatch, I usually beat this percentage by quite a big margin. Last event, for instance, I have 14 legendaries in 100 loot boxes, which is more than double the official rate. I usually feel like for most events I'm above 10%, so this is actually seemed a bit low to me. One possibility explanation for this is that Blizzard is only revealing drop rates for the Chinese version of the game. If, say, they know that Chinese players are more likely to spend money to gamble on boxes, they might make drop rates lower in that region to drive up revenue. I don't think that is what's happening, and that would be quite as controversy, and I'm probably just lucky, but it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. Blizzard also revealed these figures for Hearthstone, and it's more or less what players have known for a while. 1 rare per pack, 1 epic every 5 packs, 1 legendary every 20 packs. And players have deducted theirs to 40 pack pity timer, which will give you a legendary automatically if you go that long without one. I believe the pity timer for Overwatch may be 25 boxes, which would align those revealed figures. I feel like I hit that timer far more of 10 in Hearthstone than Overwatch. However, Hearthstone fans are less enthused with their reveal due to vague wording and the fact that Blizzard doesn't give information about the drop rates of golden cards, though unofficial estimates put the chance for golden legendary at about 1 in every 100 packs. Last time I checked. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you can, share this video, like, comment, subscribe, and see you guys later.